How to fix Xfinity box error RDK-03036. So this error usually means that the box is having trouble connecting to the Xfinity network, and it's often caused by a loose coax cable, signal interruption, service outage, or account issues. So the good news is that most cases can be fixed with basic troubleshooting at home. So here are a few things you can try before doing anything else. So first, you got to check all the cable connections. Make sure the coaxial cable is tightly connected to the back of your Xfinity box and the wall outlet. Check for damaged or bent connectors, and if you're using a splitter, make sure it's secure and not faulty. You can also try restarting your Xfinity TV box. So unplug the power cord from the back of the TV box, wait for 30 to 60 seconds, and plug it back in and allow it to fully reboot. Restart your Xfinity gateway or modem. So unplug your modem or router for 30 seconds, pretty much similar to this option over here. And once your internet is back online, check if the TV box error is gone. You can also check for service outages. You can open the Xfinity app or your Xfinity account online and look for any reported outages in your area. You should be able to do something like this in your preferred browser as well. So if there's an outage, you'll need to wait for service restoration. Finally, you can try refreshing the TV box signal. So in the app, you can go to devices, TV box, and then troubleshoot, of course, if it is available for you. You can select restart device or refresh signal. Finally, you can try inspecting for signal issues. So if you recently moved the box or installed new equipment, the signal levels may be somewhat weak. So try reconnecting the box directly to the wall outlet and remove splitters temporarily. So if you find a difference, then that could be the problem. And finally, contacting Xfinity support. If the error persists, there may be a line issue outside your home or the box may need replacement. You can contact Xfinity support for further diagnostics or a technician visit. But those are a few things you can try to potentially help you with the RDK-03036 error. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.